Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Rishabh Shah. So this is the first time I'm coming in front of the camera, so please pardon me if there is any fumbleness or the quality of the video, right? So the purpose of coming to the video is that I want to try this YouTube vlogging plus the tech knowledge what I have that I could share with you, help you. So coming to the point, I recently moved back to Bangalore since the return to office has started for my office. And so if you see, this is my room, this is my bed. Okay, we have a small window. This is me again. And let me just show you, because the actual work from home setup, right, where I have set up everything with my chairs and everything, it is actually in my home. And the way I have moved right now, it is not that well equipped, so I have bought some small items to make my work setup, and let me just share with that you. Okay, so this is my work setup, my laptops, my working desk, and this is the chair where I sit, right? And this is my bed, and this is small almirah kind of thing where I keep all of my man cares. So now, the problem with this chair is that while I sit, right, it even though it is arm resting, but it is not that comfortable, and because of that I have started having some back pain. So for that we have ordered one combination of a backrest and a cushion. So let me quickly unwrap this and show you how exactly it looks. So this says the gold standard of comfortable and sitting. Let's see. Actually, it is comfortable or not. Okay, so this is from Frido Ultimate Pro Sitting Combo. I think this is what it is. We have the cushion and the pillow or the backrest. Right. Let me open this as well. I hope this is the way where we can open. This looks good. Okay, this is one.
Yeah, lovely.
Frido. I think this goes in the back of the chair, and this is what is the backrest. Let me open that as well. Okay.
Yeah, that looks pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it does look right.
Yeah.
It's quite spongy. Let's just see how it sits normally. So this one goes in the back. It should be in the W shape, like this, and then the other one goes like this. Okay, so this is where the tailbone should rest, so that it should not, give me that pain. Okay, let's give
Yeah,
this. Let's have it
that's
set up in
awesome.
our chair. Come back. Okay. Let's set up this here. See here, now we have set up this one, which is going to be quite comfortable now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is much better than before. Now for the backrest, I think this was like this. This should go like W. We have strap on here. Okay.
So?
It's ready. My comfortable work set chair.
Awesome. Just sit.
It is very comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually.
If I sit here like this, please. And if I want to work, yeah, much comfortable. This does look good.
Yeah.
Thank you. So that's all for now. And please, if you like my video, since this is the first time I'm coming, please bear with me and subscribe the channel. Thank you.